Now, squashed in here, amongst all the junk, is my little 1978 MG Midget. There we go. I've owned this one for quite a few years now, and take it to various shows throughout the summer. Great fun. It's the first convertible that I've ever owned, and because it's low down, you can drive it well within the speed limits, 30 miles an hour, and it seems like you're doing 100 miles an hour. It's a bit of a job to get in from the passenger side. I haven't got any room to get in from the driver's side as it's squeezed in. And let's give it a start up. Fingers crossed it'll start up. There we go. That was a bit of luck. It's had a custom made dashboard in there. Well, done by the previous owner. It's varnished ply. There we go. Now it's easier to get in than it is to get out. So this is where the difficulty starts. Oh dear. Luckily, there's a roll bar fitted to hang on to. That says a 1500cc. It underwent a full restoration a few years before I bought it. Engine rebuild, bodywork's all been restored. It's had new arches at the rear, and various other bits and pieces have been welded in, but I think he's had a full back to metal respray. But yeah, it's been great fun. Had it out through the last few summers, bombing along. Also had the wind in my hair, but I haven't got any hair left, so here we go.